Hello and welcome back. It is me again, and today we're going to be talking about chemistry. And it's going to be very boring, I guarantee it. Because, to be perfectly honest with you, I'm experiencing burnout with this series. It's taken 6 months for me to get here, but we're here. Anyway, we're doing Lazarus today, another beast kill, because we've already done it with Eden. Halfway done. Actually, over halfway done, aren't we? Yeah, because of Cain. Over halfway done. Let's get into it in just a second. Close. Very close. Very nice. Also, very strong start by the looks of... Wow. This is a very strong start. I'm impressed. Anyway, yeah, I am experiencing burnout with this series now. It's happened, finally. I mean, there are reasons for it, of course. Mainly that I have a list of interesting topics that would be fun to do episodes on, but I simply don't feel like it. Yet. Nice. Because, I'm holding off until next season, which is now only a few episodes away. Only, what, 8 episodes-ish away? Ish? Ooh, very fancy. Ooh. Okay. Whoa, not what I want. Oh, that's gonna make things awkward. Nuts. Oh well. Yep, so I'm experiencing burnout, so I have decided to do a very boring topic that has also been on my topic list for a while. And by very boring, I apologize to any chemists out there. I've already done an episode on organic chemistry. I figured I'll just do a similar one on regular chemistry today. And no extra key and no bombs. Huh. So it's gonna be a lot of the same. I'm just gonna breeze through more than a dozen different topics that show up in chemistry and then talk very briefly about any relevant mathematical formulas. And that's it. That's all we're doing today. I told you it's gonna be boring. I guarantee it. Man, I would have loved an angel room though, especially now that I finally unlocked Godhead last episode, which is one of the best items. One of the best angel room items. Can I get fire rate, or is it gonna give... I mean, I said fire rate, I mentally meant damage, because I already have fire rate, you know? Give me another bomb. Are you sure that I have -1 luck right now? This doesn't feel like -1 luck. There you are. This is... incredible. Incredible luck. Also, I should have pushed that upwards. Oh, the devil. Cool. I still need a trinket. I mean, it's very early in the run, but I do still need it. I really was hoping for an enemy in this room, but that's fine. I can do without it. Anyway, yeah, let's get to chemistry. We're starting very, very simply with matter and measurement. The basic states of matter. Yes, we are, again, very boring and going through everything that a chemistry class would cover. A college-level chemistry class, mind you. So, yeah, things are going to be boring. That's my final warning. Final warning. States of matter that we are concerned with today are just solids, liquids, and gases. That's it. Then we have elements, compounds, and mixtures. Of course, the standard. Then we have physical versus chemical properties and their differences. And then we have SI units and dimensional analysis. The only key formula in this section is density, which is simply mass divided by volume. Nice and simple. I expected the boss by now, but whatever, it's just one room away, isn't it? Very nice, very nice. You would not believe that I only have -1 luck. It is difficult to believe. Next section is on atoms, molecules, and ions. By the way, if you want more detail for any of the things that I'm gonna mention today, then tough luck. I'm not gonna give you any more. Yeah, I'll check, because at this point it's already lost, so I may as well, and none of those are particularly good. I mean, maybe the third one, but it's not really worth it, to be honest, so let's go down the alternate path. Atoms, molecules, and ions. Things you would learn, because I guess that's how I'm talking about things today. Again, peak laziness and burnout. Definitely a burnout topic. Atomic structure. We got protons, neutrons, and electrons. And should I don't know. I don't know. We have isotopes and atomic mass as well. Then we have the periodic table. Whoa. And its trends. Electronegativity, ionization energy, and atomic radius. Very nice. And yeah, I'll take it. Why not? Why shouldn't I? Deflate already. No, you should have squished the poop. Oh, well. Get him! Yeah! Oh. Alright, and that's it. Let's see. This is very awkward. Go into your next phase. Perfect. Then, next topic would be ionic and molecular compounds. And great. Is it? If it's not brimstone, I'm not interested. Just being honest with you here. So, ionic and molecular compounds, and lastly, we have nomenclature. Oh. Yay? Yay. Cool, okay. No formulas for that subtopic. Oh yeah, I can just fly. Good thing I didn't waste a bomb. Neat. I'll also go in here. I feel like it. Oh. And I'm glad I did. Section 3. Stoichiometry. I heard that brief excitement. That's funny. I want to get you out. No, Daddy Longlegs, why did you waste yourself like that? And I don't care enough about the knife to get it anymore. Not unless I'm Lilith, but even then I found out last time that the thing doesn't even... The box of friends doesn't even work on the knife. I thought it did, but I guess I was just wrong. No! Hit the poop! Oh, well. And still, not a single trinket. And I will need to pay attention for this guy because he scares me. Oh, no. This is a terrible time to get excited. That's what he said. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, fine. So, stoichiometry. First subtopic is the mole and Avogadro's number. Ooh, where would this be? Left or right? Left or right? I have the bombs to check. The answer is right. That's right. I hope it's there. Yeah, okay. It was aligned with the room. Whoa. Whoa. Hold on. Okay, mental math. I guess? Oh, but this can't be a door. But... it's like a 50-50. I think. I need to check if there's a battery. There was a battery. Yes. Okay, I have a second chance. I should be able to find the ultra secret room if I do this. Oh. Ooh, so tight. Oh, hi. And also, at the very least, I was able to get in here, you know? Fire rate down, damage up, luck up, speed up, health up. Pretty good. I miss my fire rate, but that's it. I think it's worth it. And I almost have another charge very naturally. That's neat. Daddy, get him. Get him, Daddy. Yeah. That's my daddy. And with that, unfortunately, I will need to buy another charge, but... yeah... it's still... I guess it wasn't a 50-50, more like a 1/3 chance, because the way I see it, it's either in the bottom left, or I could maybe access it straight down. Maybe. Maybe. I may need to enter the item room, which is a problem. I really don't want to do that. So instead, I'll enter the cursed room. It's gonna hurt. So in fact, let me just take it on an additional risk, but then not be hurt, you know? I can't tell if I succeeded. I'll tell in a minute. Step. No, not on the husk of the... oh, and I didn't even succeed. Man, so where was it? I'm asking like it's gonna be revealed. Oh, well. Oh, wait. Where? Right, secret room. Ah, man. That's a shame. Oh well. Oh, cool, more money. Anyway, Avogadro's number is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. What does it mean? Ask someone who knows or cares. That's mean of me. I do care. I do want to know why Avogadro came up with such a silly little number. Actually, a silly big number. That's a very big number. And I don't remember the reason, because I can't be bothered to right now. Because, I mean, this isn't really a mailing it in episode, because this is exactly the sort of episode I planned for this to be. This is just a burnout episode, that's all. That's all. Don't expect anything more from me, okay? Oh, I don't think I mentioned this, but I should, because I'm so proud of myself. Let's use this. Windows does this really stupid thing recently, where if it needs to update, it won't even tell you. It will just shut your computer off and then update. Just forcibly. No warning, no ability... Really? Oh, okay. No ability to turn this feature off except to, you know, do the standard thing of, like, pausing updates for a week or whatever, and then you can only do that, like, 3 times. Something like that. Something very annoying like that. I mean, I guess it makes sense. There are a lot of people that are completely inept with keeping their computers up to date and all that, but that doesn't mean you need to literally forcibly shut down a computer that isn't yours. Born to Rock. Alright. I guess the secret room's not there. It was here. Ah. Well, there's no harm in me checking what's up here. Forget me now. Maybe I will. Although I'm not actually sure what happens to the item then, if I do forget this floor. I mean, I don't need to. This is a pretty good run. But I could. I could. Oh, no. Sorry, I thought there was already an item room. I don't know where... I don't know where I got that idea from. Let's simply take the money, shall we? I feel like it. That's a trinket. I just realized. And yes, mother, too. Well, oh, I really like that trinket. Can I get another one instead? Please? Ah, man. Right, I already found it. Ooh, pill. Oh, range down. Anyway, where was I? Talking about stoichiometry, right? Avogadro's number. Then we have molar mass, balancing chemical equations, and limiting reactants and percent yield. Whoa. Well, that paid off. Big time. Wow. Wow. And I'll donate a little to the orphans in need of blood. And I definitely don't have any selfish motives, like wanting the IV bag. None at all. I'm gonna use that because I hate this boss. Focus. Focus. Anyway, there are a few key formulas in stoichiometry that I will now mention. The first being the conversion between moles and mass. And let's look at where I'm aiming. Compound fracture. Stairway. Wow. Wow, okay. This is now gonna be a completely busted run, apparently. I don't think it's gonna top yesterday. I wish it could. I don't think it will. I really don't. Yesterday was wild. That was, again, the fastest that I've ever killed the beast. That was maybe a second. And with that, I still have no idea what will happen to the item here. But you know, I already got the... Ooh. Ooh. I already did get the planetarium here, so I may as well, and then we'll just see what happens. If I get an extra floor or what. On the ascent, that is. Duality's pretty good. Yeah, I'll take it. I really need the Keeper's, whatchamacallit. The Keeper Sack. That would be excellent for this. Also, that was such a waste of half a soul heart, but oh well. Sue me. Oh yeah, the key pieces don't actually do anything for me now. Right. Well, oh well. So, the conversion from moles to mass. Your number of moles is simply equal to your mass divided by your molar mass. And the molar mass is basically the, well, just the ratio for you. I don't, like, maybe that sounds confusing. It actually isn't. I've just done a poor job of explaining it. That's all. Oh, I thought I'd be able to sneak by. Oh well. Nice. Nice. Explode on me. Nice. I have the keys for this. Am I gonna turn into Guppy on top of everything else I've got going on? That would be great. Alright. Oh, I should definitely go to the arcade. Now that I think about it. What am I ever gonna use bombs for? Now that I think about it. I don't know. And I know I have the IV bag, but I still want the chance at the blood bag. Also, more money is better. For lots of reasons now. And with this, I guess I'll head back and get that soul heart. Anyway, molar mass, again, is actually just the ratio of... what is it? Moles... No, mass over moles, anyway. So, it really, I just said nothing at all. It was just definitionally what was going on there. That's all. This is a very neat room. I like it. Oh, it was a survival room. Neat. The other formula for this section is percent yield, which is calculated as actual yield divided by theoretical yield, and then converted to a percentage. Next section is aqueous reactions and solution stoichiometry. Neat. Oh, that's a little ironic. that I got hurt while trying to grab that. Oh well. That's not worth it. Oh right, keys are also useless. I forgot about that. Can we find... No? Oh. Is it all the way at the top right? If it is, I'm not going up there. Oh, good, good, good. And yes, I will donate this health. Let's make the run even longer. Sticky nickel. And there goes that. So aqueous reactions and solution stoichiometry. This involves the concepts of electrolytes and solubility, precipitation, acid-base, and redox reactions. Ow, hey, stop that. Also, I should have used you immediately, but whatever. Yeah, get him, daddy. Oh. Whoa, I don't know how that didn't hit me. I was rather close. Okay, we're just going, that's fine. What are we looking at? I could get conjoined. It's not a bad idea. And let me kill you. No offense, buddy. No offense. Yeah, I have to try for conjoined at the very least. With this insane run... Oh. Oh. Yes, please. Uh-huh, I see, I see. Do I take Monster Manual? Oh, really? You had to give me Blood Puppy? Whatever. It's fine. Probably. Ooh, yay! Oh, duh, I could just drop the blood bag. Didn't even cross my mind. This may somehow turn out to be an even more overpowered run. I can't believe that I'm saying that. I can't believe that this is happening. But it's true. This is very impressive. Also, I have almost never listened to the library song for this long. I like that ending, that was nice. Okay, well, you are of no more use to me now. Goodbye. And there's no arcade. I was gonna say shop. But that isn't correct. Alright. Well, that's quite the bonus that I just got. Oh, hey. Oh, look. Extra red health. Too bad I have nothing to do with that. I really need conjoined, and I really need another trinket that I can pick up and then throw away. You know? Also, I just absolutely digest rocks. Absolutely digest them. Get out of here. There you are. Thank you so much. You are a perfectly worthless trinket. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. And I think that's all the health I currently have lying around. Let me go collect it. And I have zoned out and forgot to read. Oh well. Ah. One more half heart. That is fine. I'll just empty out my red health completely. That's probably the wise thing to do. Where was I? Oh, yes. Next topic is molarity and solution dilution. Subtopic. Formula time. So molarity is M, and it equals... There we are. Perfect. It equals the moles of the solute over the liters in the solution. If I am reading the abbreviations correctly, feel free to correct me and tell me I'm an idiot. I want to be an idiot. I desire it. I want to say, look, Mom, that's me. Neat. Yeah, I don't really know what I meant by saying that, by the way, but whatever. Now that is interesting. Oh, hello. Yay! Yay! So, let's see. I mean, does that save me pennies? I guess it does. Let's remember that. Oh boy. And yeah, I'll use this. Oh! Whoa! Pretty Fly saved me there. Because I definitely would have died for real, definitely. Ow. I forgot to even use High Priestess, and I didn't get an Angel Room. Oh. Huh. Also, there's a trinket. Okay. We drop everything. We move this over. If there's 2 trinkets in this room, there's a better chance of me finding a red room with it. And now I have both of these. Excellent. And I'll take the High Priestess, I guess. It doesn't matter. Let's see. Next formula is dilution, which is M1 times V1 equals M2 times V2. Pretty straightforward, actually. All things considered. I don't know why they made that creepy. Oh, perfect. I was just gonna say, I hope I remember it. I haven't forgotten it yet, but that doesn't mean I won't. You know? Alright, next we have thermochemistry. Thermochemistry involves system versus surroundings distinctions. Distinctions between systems and surroundings. It involves endothermic versus exothermic reactions. And it involves enthalpy, that is delta H, and calorimetry. Calorimetry. Yeah, I did say that right. Wow, good for me. I'm learning. Sure, more speed. Formulas. Heat is Q equals M times C times delta T, where M is mass, C is the specific heat, and delta T is the change in temperature. Ooh, yay! Lots of money. Oh, great. Then we have the enthalpy change in reaction formula, which is delta H equals the sum of the delta H products minus the sum of delta H reactants. Well, I said that kind of awkwardly, but if you know any chemistry, you can probably see the awkwardness in that and simply ignore it. Yes. And I am too lazy to actually use my active items in this fight. I just don't feel like it. I don't know why. I just, it is what it is. That's all. There we are. I will continue to bet on Godhead, and there is not conjoined. Oh, I have made a fool of myself. I am the fool. For real, for real. An arcade! I am tempted, but no, I'll just go. Next section, electronic structure of atoms. Concepts include... Ooh, yes. Concepts include quantization, of energy, the Bohr model. Why did that open briefly? Quantum numbers and orbitals and electron configurations. That was wild. I didn't know I could pass through his attack like that. Oh. Neat. Not neat. Not neat at all. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, good. I was wondering how I crossed, and then the spikes simply lowered themselves. Like that. The Hermit. Perfect. That's fine. I got it. Finally, I got it. Key formulas. Ow. Include the energy of a photon, which is given by E, which is the energy, equals H times nu times... Nope, I said that a little wrong. It is H times nu, which is also equal to H times C over lambda. H is Planck's constant, nu is frequency, which nu is a Greek letter that looks like V, by the way. The more you know. Yay! Oh, I capped out on tier fire rate? How? Why? Wow! What? And lambda is wavelength. And I guess I'm done here. Okay. The next formula is the Rydberg formula for the hydrogen spectrum, I guess. Now I am a little out of my depth. Now, just a little bit. There we are. Finally conjoined. No. Yes. Conjoined just works so well with this build. So this formula is 1 over lambda, which is the wavelength, equals RH times 1 over n1 squared minus 1 over n2 squared. Don't ask me what any of those mean, because it was not included in this. The explanation for some of these terms was not included for this particular formula. Go easy on me. Where is my item room? I hunger for item. Also, when am I turning into Guppy? It's a little late now, but still, it could happen. Oh, I already... No, I don't want that. Oh well. I already got the item room, dingus. Next, we have the section on periodic properties of the elements. There. There he is. Nice. So, concepts include atomic or ionic states, ionization energy, electron affinity, and electronegativity. Don't be so negative. You should smile more. Ah. Interesting item, interesting. No formulas. Next, section 8 of... I don't know how many. It was over a dozen. I remember that much. It was probably closer to 20. So, you know, I'm going to be blowing through these. Get ready. The Eucharist. No. Section 8. Chemical bonding. Concepts include ionic versus covalent bonding, Lewis structures, resonance and formal charge, VSEPR theory, and bond polarity and dipole movement. Almond milk. That would be kind of wild, actually. That would be insanely wild. Would I really benefit? Yes, actually, I would. Yeah, okay. Oh boy. This is gonna get crazy. The key formula, in this section at least, is the formula for formal charge. That is Fc is equal to the number of valence electrons minus the number of non-binding electrons minus 1/2 times the number of bonding electrons. Not binding, bonding. Bonding, like the bonding of Isaac, not the binding of Isaac. Just want to make that clear. The bonding of Isaac. It's family friendly now. Also, I'm looking for the red room because I have an extra cracked key to use, and it's not Guppy. That is so sad. I've got one opportunity here. Oh, but I can't go that way. And I can't... Yeah, I can't go anywhere from there, so I'm gonna say it's maybe around here somewhere? Perhaps? Perhaps? Let's give it a shot. Oh, I was incorrect. Yeah, oh well. I tried, and that's what matters. Also, energies. Haha, haha. Let's see, section number 9, molecular geometry and bonding theories. Concepts include molecular geometry, that is VSEPR again. I don't know what that acronym actually stands for. Hybridization, that is SP, SP squared, SP cubed, etc., which I'm assuming is electron positions or something. I don't know. I'm a scientist. What do you expect? Me to know how atoms work or something? I'm a scientist. Why would I know those things? I am technically a scientist. Very technically. Oh, yeah, I'll just leave. I forget that I can just kind of do that if I want. Where is my item room? Oh, and my short-term memory is gone, because, oh, neat. I don't recall if I mentioned molecular orbital theory. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Hey, bud. No formulas. Section 10, gases. Concepts include gas laws such as Boyle's, Charles's, and Avogadro's. Ooh, I almost blew myself up there. I almost blew myself. Oh. Another! Wow. Wow. I am passively interested in that. I'll take Kane's other eye. He means well. Oh, yeah, I could have just walked through again. Forgot about that. Yeah, I'm not feeling this room. Let's go over here. I'm not feeling this room either. Oh, I am feeling this room. Glyph of Balance is so not useful to me. Pretty Fly, now that is. Let's see, then we have the Ideal Gas Law, which is listed separately from the gas laws. Wow, at these rooms. At the number of flies I have. Also, is the knife what's destroying rocks, technically? I don't know. Ow. Then we have partial pressures and Dalton's law. And then kinetic molecular theory. Kinetic. I said that weirdly. A little bit weirdly. Key formulas. We have the ideal gas law, which is P times V equals N times R times T. Don't ask me what it means. Go ask your dad. Or your mom. Or your grandma. Anyone else, really. Yeah, I'll make use of you. Guppy, Guppy, Guppy. Oh. We have Dalton's law, which is P total equals P1 plus P2 plus etc. That's, I'll be honest, Dalton. Oh. There's Guppy. I'll be honest, Dalton, that's a very boring law. Are you sure that's even a law? I guess it really depends on the context of how Dalton came up with this law. Then we have the root mean squared speed, where we have u root mean squared equals the square root of 3 times r times t over m. What? I can't take that. I really want to. That would be disastrous. That would be hilariously disastrous. But no, I'm sorry. Wow. Let's see. Next section, section 11, we have intermolecular forces and liquids and solids. That was a weird way to organize that sentence, but whatever. Concepts include IMFs, that is dispersion, dipole-dipole, and hydrogen bonding. I don't remember what IMFs stands for. I'm sorry. We have properties of liquids, viscosity and surface tension in particular. I guess I'll take you. Sure. That's a damage up. And... yeah. And types of solids, which include ionic, molecular, metallic, and covalent network. Wow. Oh, right. I did reach the max. Yay. Lazarus. Wait a minute. Yes! Alright. Section 12, solutions and their properties. Concepts include solubility and colligative properties. Colligative. I'm gonna hold off on stuff until next boss. Even though I have the paperclip, you know, I'll experiment. What did you just say to me? Oh well. Who did I even get? I can't tell. Colligative properties. Colligative. Pelagius the Wise properties. We have boiling point elevation, freezing point depression, and osmotic pressure. I have no idea what any of those mean. Yay. Key formulas. Oh, I got hit. Key formulas include boiling point elevation, that is delta TB equals I times KB times M. Freezing point depression, we have delta TF equals I times KF times M. Again, don't ask me what any of these mean. And then we have the formula for osmotic pressure, which is pi equals, this is capital pi, it's being used as a variable, it's not 3.14. Pi equals I times M times R times T. Next, we have chemical kinetics, section 13. Concepts include reaction rates, rate laws, integrated rate laws, and activation energy, and Arrhenius equation. The Arrhenius equation. I was really expecting the charged paperclip to be more important. Oh well. Nice. Key formulas. We have the rate law, the generic rate law, which is that rate equals K times A to the M times B to the N. Then we have integrated rate laws, the 0th, 1st, and 2nd order integrated rate laws, and none of them are listed, but I'll just assume that the generic one is, you know, the generic version of the orders. Then we have the Arrhenius equation, which is K equals A times E to the negative E sub N divided by the product of R and T. I think I'm reading that subscript right. It's a little small. And I've not killed the beast nearly as quickly as I did with the last boss fight. Last time I was here. Oh well. I can't see where I am. But I navigated through that expertly. Wow. Section 14. Chemical equilibrium. Concepts include dynamic equilibrium, equilibrium constant K, and Le Chatelier's principle. Le Chatelier? Sure. Oh, I didn't even point out Lazarus's door. Oh well. There we have it. Next is Azazel. I will just continue reading. We only have a few more. We're almost there. Key formulas. We have equilibrium expressions, which is K equals C to the C times D to the D divided by A to the A times B to the B. Cool. And reaction quotients Q versus K. I don't know what that means. Thank you. Thank you very much. Section 15 of 18. Acids and bases. We have the Bronsted-Lowry acids and bases. Strong versus weak acids and bases. pH, pOH, and pKa. And buffers and titrations. Very exciting. What in titration? I remember that meme. Key formulas. We have pH equals the negative log of H positive. We have K sub W or K sub omega. I can't tell which variable that's supposed to be. Equals the product of H positive times OH negative, which equals 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14th. Then we have the Henderson-Hesselbalch equation, which is pH equals pKa plus the log of A minus over HA. 16. Solubility equilibria. Concepts include KSP, that is the solubility product, common ion effect, and selective precipitation. Section 17. Thermodynamics. Concepts include first, second, and third laws, entropy delta S, and Gibbs free energy delta G. Key formulas include delta G equals delta H minus T times delta S, and delta G naught, delta G with a degree symbol, equals negative R times T times the natural log of K. And lastly, section 18, electrochemistry. Concepts include redox reactions, galvanic versus electrolytic cells, standard cell potential, and the Nernst equation. Key formulas include energy of a cell with a degree symbol equals the energy of the cathode with a degree symbol minus the energy of the anode with a degree symbol. And the Nernst equation, E equals E with a degree symbol minus 0.0591 over N times the log of Q. I have said many things today, and they have made not much sense to me. Well, I vaguely remember like half of these. 2/3 of these. It's been a while since I was in chemistry, and I never actually took it in college, but I took it in high school. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I traumatized you lightly today, but only lightly. And I hope to see you again tomorrow. Take care.